Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss about the concept of computer network. The objectives of this chapter would be introduction to computer network, what a network is, what a computer network actually is, why there is need of networking. When we study the concept of networks, here comes the concept of open system interconnection model and TCP IP model. So we will discuss open system interconnection model and TCP IP model. We will discuss about the layers of OSI and TCP IP. Then we will discuss about the various devices of networking, what are the various hardware components used in networking, which communication media we use for networking, what are the various communication modes available for networking, how data is being shared while we are using the concept of network, which protocols are used, which protocols are being followed to apply the concept of computer network, and then we will cover network component address. So let's discuss first about computer networks. What computer network is? Here from this image we can see there there is data at several places. Data can be into your mobiles, into your desktop computers, into your laptops. There data is everywhere, but the purpose of this data is to share the information between various people. Like, first what we need to know what data is. Data or the raw facts, for example 0 1 2 3, these are just numbers for us, but when I allocate these numbers to all the students of the class, they will become information that 1 is the roll number of particular student, 2 is the roll number of second student, 3 is the roll number of third student. Now this data has become information. If we have information, we have knowledge, and if we are capable to gather that knowledge, we are intelligent. So that's a cycle of data, information, knowledge and intelligence. In computer networks, what is the basic purpose of networking? The basic purpose of networking is to gather the data or the information from various sources and enhance the knowledge. For example, there are two people and they want to communicate with each other. So what they will do, they will just dial the number and call to the other person. How the call will be connected? The call is being connected via mobile phone, right? We dial someone's number and the call is being connected. So what is the basic purpose of networking? Networking is what? Network, it means we have a network in which several computers, several devices are connected to each other in such a way that they can share information or they can share data with each other, and they can share resources with each other for the purpose of information gathering. So computer networks is actually the base of communication technology. We use data in different ways, so we have different types of networks also available, and the basic purpose of networking is to connect the computers in such a way that they can share the information, they can share the resources, and the basic purpose of communication is being completed via computers network concept. So why there is need of networking? So we come to know that why there is need of networking, because we want to share the information, we want to share the resources with others, we want communication, we want two persons to communicate or the number of group of persons to communicate with each other. This communication can be held via emails, video calling, instant messaging, or the, if we are talking about sharing of resources, mean we are sharing printers, scanners, photocopiers and other devices as well. So for sharing of files, for sharing of software, sharing of operating systems on remote systems, we need networking. Why we are using networking? So that users can easily access the data, users can easily maintain the data, Users can be full of resources and full of information. That is the basic purpose of networking.